Hey everybody, this video is about how to evaluate a function. So what I want you to do first is come over here and grab a pen or a marker. And the problem we're going to take on is this right here. It says find the output f when the input r is 4. So what that means is that this r variable is going to be 4. All right. So we're going to rewrite the function as f equals 5. And then remember, 5r means 5 times r. So this is going to be 5 times 4. And then we're going to add 2. Okay? And then finally, to simplify this, we have to follow the order of operations, right? So f is going to equal, we got to multiply first. So 5 times 4 is 20. And then 2. And then finally, f is going to equal 22. And that's our answer. F equals 22.